Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 2000 Toyota Estima. It comes with 60,003 original miles. It is powered by the reliable 1MZ FE 6-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle is also four-wheel drive. It comes with 2 front doors, 2 rear sliding doors, and a rear hatch. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the number up top, 96,566. That is the kilometers. The miles again is 60,003. All right, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle, starting on the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. Thank y'all so much for the continual support. We appreciate each and every one of y'all. It does mean the world to us. Y'all have a blessed and safe day.